Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair skyrocketed 1.8% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair gained 1.9% in the last session, after rising as much as 2.8% during the session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The gold-dollar pair rose 0.4% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair exploded 3.1% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal, going against our overall technical analysis.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The US economy shrank last quarter for the first time since the pandemic recession struck 2 years ago, contracting at a 1.4% annual rate, but consumers and businesses kept spending in a sign of underlying resilience. Bitrafil users in the US can use the company's new bill payment service to pay their credit card bills, utilities, healthcare, mortgage payments, and 20,000 other types of bills with Bitcoin. The dollar hit a 20-year high against rivals as the Bank of Japan doubled down on its dovish policy, sending the yen to its weakest level since 2002, while the euro hit a 5-year low on growth concerns for the region.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's CFTC JPY-NC net positions will be released at 19:30 GMT. The US personal income at 12:30 GMT. The US personal spending at 12:30 GMT. The French gross domestic product will be released at 05:30 GMT. Australia's producer price index at 01:30 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP-NC net positions at 19:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.